Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to send an email using DataNote. Please remember you can send emails to only those contacts which are registered in Account Master. First, log into your account. Click on your username from the top left corner and select Mail. Click on Compose. Now select the email address and type a subject for your email. Next, click on Attachments to attach any screenshot or document. Then type in your concern. Finally, click on Submit and wait for the confirmation. You can also send email from any transaction report by clicking on the Mail button.